What recent Hamas operatives were killed while planning attacks in Israel? Discover the identities and roles of these key figures and how their elimination impacted ongoing security efforts. Recently, Israeli forces targeted and killed multiple Hamas operatives who were actively planning attacks inside Israel. Among them were senior commanders responsible for orchestrating rocket launches and infiltration operations. These individuals were identified through intelligence gathering and surveillance that tracked their activities. Their deaths represent a significant blow to Hamas's operational capabilities, disrupting planned assaults and weakening command structures inside Gaza. Israeli intelligence services used a mix of electronic surveillance, informants, and drone reconnaissance to locate these operatives. This multi-layered approach allowed security forces to act precisely, minimizing collateral damage while effectively halting imminent threats. The operation showcased the capability to detect terror cells before they could execute attacks, highlighting the importance of timely intelligence in counterterrorism. The elimination of these Hamas operatives disrupted planned rocket attacks and potential infiltrations into Israeli territory. This pause provided Israel's defense forces critical time to reinforce border security and prepare for any retaliatory actions. However, the ongoing conflict means such threats may reemerge, underscoring the constant vigilance required to maintain safety. The recent killing of Hamas operatives planning attacks in Israel highlights the constant battle between intelligence forces and militant groups. These targeted strikes disrupt terror plots and save lives, but underline the ongoing nature of the conflict. For more daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay informed.